Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen on the 4 hour time frame is definitely down, but the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is 100% up. And we definitely don't really have a Fibonacci bounce or anything like that on the higher time phase or a lower high or anything telling us that it's going down in any significant way. Which tells me that anything we see to the downside very easily could just be a pullback to the last move up, and it very easily could end up continuing the uptrend. So just keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we definitely did have the 78% fib belt, so this potentially could go up, break this high, make a pullback, and just keep on trending up. So definitely, like I said, keep an eye on the higher time frames because they are definitely still up. But also keep in mind that this could turn into a much bigger move to the downside. So if it goes up and breaks, you could try to go short. And if you go short and it makes a very overlapping correction pattern like this and like goes back up, then definitely get out and go long. If you go short and it just keeps on pushing down really hard, then that's great. Hopefully you can learn and earn at the same time whether this 4 hour move down is just a pullback within an uptrend or whether it's potentially a much bigger move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.